Here's my plant. Planted this pine.
Okay,
We're gonna plant
these
this
came out big size.
coconut tree today.
It's already sprouting.
What's that?
This is coffee. I'm happy that even though we had some of the beans were not so great in the last round of picking, I just picked some fresh ones and they look really nice. They're beautiful. So coffee is still alive and well. We're gonna keep planting more.
Nice. All right. Oh, the coconut. Where's the? Oh. And what's lime? Oh, I have to. That one that you have. Lemon.
Yeah, this lemon tree been suffering for a long time.
We're gonna plant some trees.
Needs to be.
Oh.
Let me get rid of it.
There's a new little plant baby here.
Show the skull.
Oh, look at this skull that we found.
Yeah, you want to come down?
I think it's a dog skull.
Get your machete.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Gotta get your machete.
I'm gonna go put shoes on too.
What is it?
40 legs.
40 legs.
Sorry.
Oh, it's breezy.
Put a knife. Here's a knife.
Highly intellectual and creative.
You're not gonna be so worried about the sun today.
No.
You have to plant some lemons and lime.
Follow the leader. I'm the tour guide. Welcome to my yard. Kidding. Welcome to Jesse's yard.
Garden of Eden.
The Garden of Eden. The Garden of Heaven. Watch out. Like, come on, guys. Let's go. Watch out. Let's start our descent. This daily descent is crazy. Getting better at it, though. We just gotta... Lily, don't knock me over, please. And watch out for my machete. Silly girl. Oh, I don't like this part. Ugh. I'm getting better at recording while coming down. Almost had a tumble. Had a tumble. That's okay. The bushes protected me.
On you go.
I am getting faster at getting down this hill, these mountains. Only thing is my boots are a little too big, so my feet are sliding around in there. Oh, it's a bit muddy here. So, I don't stop and say this enough, but thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Whoa, as I'm doing these crazy things. This is my life, though, you know. Y'all are just joining me on in my reality. You know, I'm not doing anything extra for any kind of views or nothing. This is just it. I just put my camera on now. Thank you guys for watching and always supporting my loyal supporters. And I made it down. Lily! Well, he's climbing a tree real quick, so might as well stop and... Ugh, how can you tell?
So you say you want to chop? Yeah.
I'm okay with chopping.
Are you throwing away your gloves? How much do you have?
Oh, my glove.
Okay, only one you have?
Yeah, just one.
We have here to clean up first. Some down on the side. When you come over here one day and clean the whole thing. January or something. There's gonna be a lot of pineapple.
Oh, pineapple. That's when they come out.
Yeah,
January.
That's when they start bearing in January.
Okay.
Climate change, you know. Wicked. Wicked. Yo, you say man a plant food, man a go suffer. Remember me tell you that. A greetings, daughter.
This is a baby coconut.
Yeah. So that's how that's how it looks before I plant it. And this is when it looks when it starts growing.
Oh,
Yeah, all of this here is turmeric.
that's turmeric.
Yeah, very good for your skin and stuff like that. But-
Especially melanin skin.
But it's not ready as yet. It's just like bearing, so you can see the flowers coming up, the blossom and stuff. And
Oh,
so that's why I always keep this safe. You know, you haven't seen me cut this area from the bin here, so you can see more turmeric.
the little flower. So what we gonna do?
We're gonna start getting some suckers, some coconuts and stuff like that. Bring your machete with you, and we're gonna bring them back over this side, and then we're gonna put
Here's
them
our
on,
baby
on the
coconut.
side.
Projects for today. You ready?
Yeah, man. I'm assuming you just do
What
this.
is she doing over here? Look at her just eating the. She's like, I'll help today. I'm helping by eating it. Are you helping?
Yeah, you gotta clean the dirt from it. There's so much, no, not with the fire.
You done that earlier.
No, not with the fire.
Oh, look at these mushrooms.
When you clean the
What
dirt,
kind of mushrooms are
you can
these?
easily just get it like
Are they like turkey tail? No.
see? No. And then
You do it.
what do you want to do? Just hold on. We'll show you what to do. Then what we're gonna do now, you want the mushroom to be dry. You don't want the wet mushroom to be
It's raining.
on the front.
It'll pass.
Then start chopping.
Oi. Rain.
I'm gonna pause over just a little. Overhead rain, we call it.
Overhead rain. I'll hide from the overhead rain. Oh, the mosquitoes are out today because it's like very moist this morning. It's quite cool. Take a leap. Just take the leap.
I'm being very careful.
Oh, be careful. Use the machete, dig it into the ground, and then you'll have a little stabilizer, yeah.
Fine. So you can regrow it like
Yeah, you can leave them there for now.
them here. We'll come back to them.
This river is so beautiful.
That's a big one.
Look at that coconut.
He's a big boy. Big chung boy.
and then I come back and
They're heavy. Someone take one.
Look at that.
And then out.
Are we taking it?
there's one more here.
Okay.
The whole for one.
That's a big coconut.
On the tree like this. So that's your job. To get all the dirt around the side
Okay.
with your machete
Mm-hmm.
in the coconut hole.
Okay.
You need the both sides,
This
right?
is my coconut tree. There's my tree.
Alrighty. We're gonna put this pineapple somewhere over here. Seems like it loves this. We can have it.
How's your plant going?
There's a lime.
That's your plant now.
My lime tree.
That's your lime tree next to my coconut tree. Here.
Yeah, so you gotta dig it.
Okay.
Dig a hole for it.
Deep.
Not so deep, but good deep.
Definitely. I don't know how big this needs to be. This old tree
I want some pineapple juice.
is, that sounds good, some pine and ginger.
Oh my gosh.
Here's my plant. Planted this pine.
Do you want me to bring anything back up for you?
At the moment,
No? Alright.
You're
I
gonna
have a
go
bunch
up?
of banana. Can you manage that? Big bunch of banana.
Is it?
Oh, he's a
big?
jokester.
Just
Oh. Yeah,
He
I
thinks
haven't
he's
either.
funny.
I wanna go. But I got my little the tree, I guess. Or the coconut.
Yeah, you got it.
Next one. Paloma pine.
Yeah.
Yours has a little memorial site for it.
It's gonna be the prettiest pine on the lands.
I think I had some potatoes.
After mine.
You also have a gold piece shrine around it.
I'll make one with flowers.
They'll die.
500 pineapples to plant, so
Over 500.
yeah, so let's see how much we can plant today.
Bumba.
5.
5.
What
Let's start digging right here.
Okay.
There, they just go back to the hole, good for the plants.
Okay. Next spot. The Serpentina pine. These mosquitoes are biting me like crazy. This is the progress. Still have a little ways to go. It's not too bad. It's good, but we're getting there. South up.
Take your nose out of it.
Yummy, thank you.
Okay.
Lunchtime. All right, so I have to put it in now. It's a little pine. To close it up. Next pine. Okay, but I want to take a video of this real quick. Look at, I want to show them the cane. This is cane. Cane sugar. We're gonna plant it in there.
Yeah. Not be a
All the way up there.
you love to plant.
Me? I love to climb. Ugh. With all the bushes, it's not a good spot.
Good spot this man, it be a quick.
There's the sun.
Yeah. Work hard for it.
Nothing in life is easy.
Yeah, you have to work hard for it.
I know that.
You didn't know I already learned it again.
Always learning it.
Did you lie it down flat?
Oh, you lie it flat
Yeah, man.
in there? To make a long hole.
Yeah. Jamaica now.
Is that true?
One these off.
Is that true, Mama?
You get to set it.
But I need to dig a little, like...
Yeah, see? Then you get to set it in the car.
Another puppy. Uh-oh.
Hey, come! Come back. Come back. Lily. Can't pick him off.
Like you're laying it in grave.
You can let it peep out a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. So when you do it like that now, go. Come up. Come up here. What kind of trouble are you?
Trouble.
Relax.
So the top just peek out. Just this bit peeks
Yeah,
out.
just that part want to come up because when that part come up now, it's gonna burst the ice through those and go, you know?
And then what bits come out of it, like this?
Yeah, ice gonna come out.
And then do you need to replant it or you just leave it?
Just leave it.
Okay, cool.
That's sugar
You're gonna
cane.
feed in a few days. If you still
In a few days.
yeah, like a week or so, you're gonna see the amount of grow or far much it grows.
So it grow quick.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
four of us?
Huh?
All of us?
No, let's do two.
Okay, cool.
Oh, okay.
I was about to say, I don't think it is.
Tired?
Not really, just hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
Look at all these pines. Look at the river. Look at all the progress. Things in my pants.
Unless we move the line.
Don't look at my nails, they're dirty.
What that? Alright, let's all go home then. No?
Now when you're ready, we're going to the, I think I'm doing a video around here first. I will swim or something. You swim.
Oh, you're swimming?
Ah,
So the next time I come down here, they'll be bigger. And we can replant them somewhere.
okay. Carrying some bananas up.
What?
Consonant.
Consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant.
Consonant. I don't know what he said. Back up we go. Work's done. We're clocking out for the day. It's kind of early, no? I think yesterday we came out around that time. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a like. Subscribe if you enjoy my content. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.